What if I told you? Creativity isn't a gift for the lucky few. It's a skill you can build. It's not about talent. It's about how you think, how you see the world, and how you dare to imagine something different. In this video, you'll discover simple but powerful ways to unlock your creative mind, starting today. Let's begin. 1. Unlock your creative genius. Start with curiosity. Curiosity is the spark that ignites the flame of creativity. It begins with a question, a simple yet profound desire to understand the world around us. As we explore, we uncover layers of inspiration hidden in everyday life. Each new discovery fuels our imagination, leading us down unexpected paths. Embracing this journey, we learn to challenge conventions and push boundaries. In this unending pursuit of knowledge, we unleash our creative genius, transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary masterpieces. 2. Boredom is the door to creativity. Boredom often feels like a void, but in that stillness lies the seed of creativity. During idle moments, I found myself wandering through daydreams where the most whimsical ideas emerge. Once, while waiting for a friend, I sketched a fantastical creature that later inspired a whole story. Others have turned to mundane tasks, an unkempt garden sparking innovative designs, or a quiet walk leading to spontaneous poetry. It's in these moments of nothingness that curiosity awakens, transforming boredom into a canvas for imagination. 3. Change your environment. Change your mind. Imagine stepping into a space transformed by vibrant colors and eclectic decor, where every corner sparks curiosity. Suddenly, the mundane feels magical. The walls seem to whisper stories, urging exploration. This shift in environment ignites the imagination, encouraging questions and creative thoughts. In contrast, a cluttered room stifles ideas and breeds a sense of stagnation. By embracing a fresh backdrop, we allow the mind to wander freely, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary insights and reshaping our perspective on life's endless possibilities. 4. Embrace the ugly first draft. Embracing the ugly first draft is like welcoming chaos into the creative process. Initially, it feels daunting, a messy collection of thoughts and words that hardly resemble the masterpiece envisioned. Yet, this chaotic stage is essential. It allows ideas to flow freely without the pressure of perfection. As I sift through the rough edges, unexpected gems often emerge, sparking new directions. This journey of refining transforms not just the draft, but also my understanding of creativity itself, turning initial clumsiness into polished clarity and profound expression. 5. Consume differently to think differently. Consuming differently opens the door to a world of varied experiences and fresh perspectives. When we step beyond familiar boundaries, whether through travel, literature, or conversations with diverse individuals, we unlock a kaleidoscope of ideas that challenge our existing beliefs. Embracing new concepts not only enriches our understanding, but also sparks creative thought, illuminating pathways we never knew existed. This openness fuels innovation, allowing us to weave together disparate threads of knowledge into something profoundly original. By inviting the unfamiliar into our lives, we cultivate a fertile ground for imagination to thrive. 6. Use constraints to boost creativity. Constraints can be surprisingly liberating, often serving as the catalyst for innovative solutions. For instance, a writer faced with a strict word limit must distill their ideas, leading to sharper, more impactful prose. Similarly, a designer tasked with creating an eco-friendly product within a tight budget may discover novel materials or methods that redefine sustainability. In a bustling kitchen, a chef working with leftover ingredients may stumble upon a unique dish that becomes the restaurant's signature. Each limitation challenges us to think differently, transforming potential obstacles into opportunities for creativity. 7. Play like a child again. As adults, we often forget the thrill of unstructured play, yet it holds the key to our innermost creativity. Imagine wandering through a sun-drenched park, where laughter intertwines with the rustling leaves and the world feels limitless. Each step invites adventure, igniting the imagination like it once did in childhood. Embracing that carefree spirit allows us to explore new ideas without fear of imperfection. When we dare to play, we unlock fresh perspectives, transforming our adult responsibilities into a canvas of vibrant possibilities. Rediscovering play not only nurtures creativity, but also reminds us that life, at its best, is an adventure waiting to be embraced. Creativity isn't about waiting for inspiration. It's about showing up every day and daring to think differently. So take what you've learned today and put it into action. Your mind is powerful. Your ideas matter. Keep creating, keep pushing, because you are undefeated.